Joyce Benny Goodman. Coming up, couple entries, Goldfield with 5A Windy Hour. Set to go. Good luck on your pick 6 tickets. Gates open. They're up and racing. Windy Hour, Empire Princess, Windy Firenze moving up by the rail to take the lead. Bahala na! Rushing up to take third, Benny Goodman running on the outside, then followed by Dragon May, and Goldfield is the early trailer heading towards the half-mile pole. Windy Firenze, bahala na! Moves up to grab the lead. Empire Princess in third, then moving up. Windy Hour, Benny Goodman is on the outside, followed by Dragon May. Goldfield rounding towards the 600. Bahala na! Is still in front. Empire Princess, Windy Hour trying to get closer in fourth. Together is Benny Goodman rounding towards the 450. Empire Princess leading the field. Windy Hour rushing up on the outside. Together is Benny Goodman. Windy Firenze is by the rail. We have Empire Princess, Windy Firenze, Windy Hour rushing up on the outside. Windy Firenze, Empire Princess, Windy Hour moves up to grab the lead. Now we have Windy Hour, Windy Firenze, Benny Goodman, Dragon May, and finally at the finish line, Windy Hour. Second, close, Dragon May, Windy Firenze, then comes Benny Goodman and Empire Princess. Bahala na!